everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look which is perfect for any wedding, festive or any other occasion. So yeah, let's start. Starting off with this 2-in-1 moisturizer plus primer, applying all over my face and neck too, and then a lip oil. Now I'm using this full coverage foundation that matches my skin tone and applying all over my face and neck too, and then blending it with a blender. Now for concealer I'm using this Swiss Beauty high coverage concealer and applying under my eyes, around my mouth, and then blending it all nicely. For blush I'm using this Inside Cosmetic blush. I really love how it blends so easily with my fingers. Setting my base with the Swiss Beauty loose powder. Now brushing my eyebrows and then filling it with this Inside Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. For eye makeup, first I'm taking this brown shade from this palette and then blending right into my crease. Now taking a shimmer shade from the other palette and applying on my eyelid. For eyeliner I'm using a liquid eyeliner and trying to draw a perfect wing eyeliner. Now adding some powder blush. Now lining my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner. Now for lipstick I'm using this nude liquid lipstick. Now adding some highlighter on my cheeks, on my nose. Lastly applying mascara on my eyelashes. Locking my makeup with this setting spray. Adding bindi, and this is my final close-up look. I hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.